Hey traders, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Jess, and if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, that would be awesome. You can see all my future videos. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today we're going to be talking about back testing. So you might have heard about back testing before, maybe you do it. I'm going to show you how I do it, okay? So back testing, you guys, is essentially just practicing your trade setups, okay? And what you're able to do, so I'm using TradingView. Many of you probably use this. If you use another platform, that's totally fine. I'm sure there are similar functions on other ones, but this is the easiest one to use, so I am going to show you how to do it here. So what we're going to do is go back in time, okay? Because we want to practice based on past events. There's no use practicing in real time. I mean, and that's the other side of the coin. You can use demo and practice on a demo account. It's not real money, but the thing is, when you're practicing on demo, you really should be treating your demo account as a real account so you can get used to the emotional aspect of things. So back testing, you can avoid all of those. You can avoid all of that, and you don't need to take unnecessary losses on your demo account because you want to treat that demo account serious, right? So back testing is when we go back in time and we just test based on previous price action, okay, on the charts. So what we can do is, using this little button here, you click replay, okay, and whatever section you decide to click, okay, everything after that section or that candle you click, all of the price action is going to be deleted, all right? And when you press play, it'll play out what happened, and you can adjust the speed and stuff like that. So you'll get it to where you like it. So now what you can do, having all of this price action erased, you can go through, set up your zones or your support and resistance, right? However you want to enter trades. You can practice your entries, okay? That's the best thing this is for. You can also practice doing your trend lines. You can practice your support and resistance, see if it played out well in the future, but it's really good for spotting entries. So for example, let me just give you an example, okay, using my method. I'm going to draw in a zone because that's how I like to trade, okay? So I'm going to draw in a zone here, and I'm going to extend it. I'm not going to go through the whole process of drawing zones because I've already went over that briefly. And if you want more training on zones, just click the link in the description. I have a free course, okay? And I go over that in there. So I'm going to draw another zone down here because I trade zone to zone, you guys. Okay, and I'm just quickly drawing these in. So they're probably not the most perfect zones, but I don't want to take up 10 minutes drawing the best zones ever. So now what I'm looking for is rejection at this zone. Okay, that's what I want to see happen. I'm going to put the, maybe not that slow. Let's just see. So I want to see rejection, and then I want to see momentum downwards if we get, okay, so I'm seeing a rejection candle. All right, so this is a rejection candle here. And I want to see some momentum down, and I'll show you, if we get it, I'll show you where I would have taken the trade. And we might not, I didn't even really look at what happened after, so, okay. So we're getting momentum downwards now, okay? Now, we did have a little bit of slippage above this zone, and that's totally fine. We would have accounted for that with our stop loss. And what I'm going to do now, so I have a rejection candle, or I actually have a few. I probably, sorry guys, no, never mind. So we have a rejection candle there, and I want to enter around here. So I want to enter when I see a nice push to the downside, okay? And where I'm going to ride down to is my next strong zone, which would be here, okay? So I would place my stop loss then. And sorry guys, but I know earlier I said we would have accounted for the slippage with our stop, but there would have been no need anyway because I wouldn't have entered until down here, and my stop is going to be above that wick, okay? And now we can play this out and see if we hit our target, which is going to be this zone here. All right. So now we'll play it out and see what happens. I probably could have done this a little faster. Let's speed. There we go. All right, and we hit our target, okay? And then we could have also done this. We could have put the short, so this would have been our entry. We could put the short tool in and just see, short position tool, sorry, and see our risk reward. I swear I can't talk and do things at the same time. So our target was here. Okay, so it's not a perfect risk reward, but it was a 1 to 3. I like to have a 1 to 5, but you get the point. Okay, I was using a very random example and we did have a lot of slippage there, but you still could take this and it's a fine trade. It went down and hit our target. The other side of the coin is if you had stacked trades, which is what I teach people to do, and also what I do, you could remove your take profit here and ride down to the lower zone, okay? So taking out some profits here and then removing the rest down here. Now let's keep playing out price. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but at the same time, I wanna give you a few examples, and keep in mind, I have no idea what's gonna happen, so we could definitely get some losses in here. So now what I would like to see is a pullback up to here. And I don't know if we will get one. No. Let's speed this up. So basically I'm just playing out, okay, perfect. So we're getting a pullback here. So now what I need to see is a rejection of this zone, okay? Because I like to trade the pullback method, okay? So this was our move down. So I want to see, using my Fibonacci, I want to see, to confirm, I want to see rejection at this zone. You can ignore the Fibonacci if you're not familiar with them. Basically, I want to see rejection at the zone, okay? So let's look for a rejection candle. Remember, a rejection candle is a long wick on the candle, like this one. And then after that, I want to see, okay, so we did not get it, so we didn't get entry there. We might get an entry here. So price kept on going up. That's not a trade we would take because we want to see price start to come down. And we are seeing some downward momentum here, okay? So we could say that we're taking this short here, all right, and riding back down to, and guys, I'm just making these up now just so that we're not stuck here all day, but we can ride back down to this level, keep our stop above the high wick, and let's just see if that ends up playing out. Or if we end up, no, okay. And so that one didn't play out. And that was a very rough example because I'm not trying to be here all day. But you get the point. So you can create some setups, you can create some zones, see if your trades play out, and test your strategies, okay? That's all I really have to say. You can keep going, and then if you get bored of this pair or this area, you can go to a different pair, or you can exit the replay and go back and try some different areas, whatever you want to do. Again, this was just completely random examples, so don't pay attention to the exact strategy. I'm just showing you how you would incorporate back testing into your strategy, okay? Please comment on this video if you liked it. Oops, sorry. Please comment on this video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the free course listed in my description. And I'll see you guys in the next video.